Chaozhou, often called the Pearl of Eastern Guangdong, is a city where history and culture breathe through every street, temple, and tea house. From the intricate carvings of Kaiyuan Temple to the scenic elegance of Hanjiang River, Chaozhou offers a glimpse into China's living heritage. With over 3 million residents and a rich history spanning more than 1,000 years, this city is famous for its Teochew culture, distinctive cuisine, and classical architecture. Teochew Opera, ancient stone bridges, and traditional crafts all reflect a community deeply connected to its past while embracing modern life. Join us as we explore the geography, culture, economy, architecture, and future of this scenic ancient city. Together, we'll uncover why Chaozhou is both timeless and alive today. Chaozhou is located in the eastern part of Guangdong Province, bordering the South China Sea. Its subtropical monsoon climate offers warm summers, mild winters, and lush greenery, making it an ideal place for both agriculture and tourism. The city lies along the Hanjiang River, which has shaped its history, economy, and culture. The old town is dotted with ancient bridges, winding alleys, and traditional houses that showcase classic Lingnan architecture. One of its most famous landmarks, Kaiyuan Temple, dates back over 1,300 years and is a spiritual center that draws pilgrims and visitors alike. Legend has it that the famous poet Han Yu once visited Chaozhou and was inspired by the serenity of the Hanjiang River to write poems about the beauty of the region. Can you imagine what it felt like to stroll along the riverbanks in ancient times? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Chaozhou is home to a diverse population that speaks Teochew, a unique dialect with deep roots in the region. The city also hosts other communities from Guangdong and beyond, creating a rich cultural mosaic. Daily life in Chaozhou revolves around tea houses, markets, and family-run shops. Teochew cuisine, with its seafood specialties and distinctive flavors, is an integral part of local culture. Festivals such as the Chaozhou International Teochew Festival celebrate the city's heritage and attract visitors from across China. If you enjoy discovering authentic cultural stories, don't forget to like this video, comment your impressions, and subscribe to follow more journeys into China's living history. Chaozhou has historically been an economic hub due to its riverine trade and crafts industry. Today, it continues to thrive with industries including ceramics, textiles, and electronics. Compared to larger cities like Guangzhou or Shenzhen, Chaozhou focuses on specialized high-quality products rather than mass production. For example, Chaozhou ceramics are prized internationally for their craftsmanship. Industrial parks support both traditional manufacturing and emerging tech startups, blending heritage with innovation. Chaozhou preserves a remarkable mix of ancient streets and modern infrastructure. While the old town features classical Lingnan architecture, elegant stone bridges, and winding alleyways, new districts rise with modern buildings, shopping centers, and efficient road networks. Transportation is convenient, with high-speed rail connecting Chaozhou to Guangzhou and other major cities. The Hanjiang River still supports regional river transport, maintaining the city's historical link to trade and commerce. Regionally, Chaozhou acts as a cultural and economic bridge between eastern Guangdong and the coastal cities. Its rich Teochew heritage influences communities throughout the diaspora, particularly in Southeast Asia, where Teochew immigrants have spread culture, cuisine, and tradition. Globally, while smaller than mega-cities like Shenzhen or Guangzhou, Chaozhou's cultural exports, especially cuisine and ceramics, carry its reputation far beyond China's borders. Chaozhou plans to maintain its cultural heritage while fostering modern development. Initiatives include revitalizing historic districts, promoting eco-friendly tourism along the Hanjiang River, and supporting creative industries that combine traditional crafts with modern design. The city envisions a future where history, culture, and innovation coexist harmoniously. Have you ever visited Chaozhou? Were you captivated by its ancient streets, vibrant culture, or riverside landscapes? Share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below, and let us know which part of Chaozhou fascinates you the most.